DJ Enzo should change that top word that says work hard. If I look like him having so much fun, it should say fun hard. Because you know work, brother. Or play hard, yeah. Because if that is work, me want a job there. We move on. In our Child Month segment this morning, we have a little designer who creates bracelets and accessories. Christiyana. She's Christiyana Martin of Rock by Nana. And she are here. She's right there.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
We can't complain. Give thanks. Thanks for asking. Rock by Nana. Where did the name come from? Who is Nana?
So that's actually my nickname. I had it from when I was really young, so it just stuck. And I just made it my business name.
When you were really young?
About 4.
Guess what? You're still really young. Where did this start? Why did you want to do this? How did this start?
So for about my 9th or 10th, oh no, actually before that, my 8th birthday, I got a bracelet kit. And
a bracelet kit?
A bracelet kit. The ones that come with all the things in there. And I just really liked making the bracelets from it. It was very ugly at first. And then I looked up how to do it properly on TikTok and YouTube. And it just stuck because I really liked doing it.
So you tried to make one before you realized I want to.
It was so bad. It broke. I couldn't do it properly.
So when did you realize that I have a little talent, or even more than a little, and I think I can do this? When did you realize that?
When I finished my research and everything, and I actually made one with the correct techniques and the correct things, because my parents helped me a lot and they helped me, support me, and got me all my items.
Okay, what is that? Because I know some people use like fish line and stuff, but what is this? This is what?
So this right here, this is the string, and it helps it stretch so it's not tight around your wrist or
but it won't just burst like, yeah. So you went like that a while ago. You
yes,
make necklaces?
I make all types of jewelry. And
so you alone make everything? Mommy, daddy, don't help?
Sometimes mommy helps me, but she's kind of my employee, so.
Oh, she works for you?
Yes.
Oh. Do you pay her?
No.
Oh, you don't pay her?
No.
But she works for you. She's kind of your employee.
Yes.
How long would one of them take to make?
It really depends, because sometimes it's a very tedious process, and sometimes it's really frustrating because sometimes it breaks or...
Even though that happens?
Yes, it still happens, but I've gotten better each time, so it gets better.
But if all things being equal, what? 1 hour, 2 hours, less than that?
I could make about 10 in an hour. Yeah.
10 in an hour? Oh, that's brilliant. And you've been selling these?
Yes.
People been buying from you?
Yes, I actually sell in Things Jamaica and at Devon House.
What? You can employ me to please? Why you laugh? But never get paid though. I not like mommy, you have to go pay me. Eh? Tell me about some of these. These are mostly for women, right?
Yeah, so right here, those were actually for Mother's Day not too long ago. Yeah. Those are both for men and women right there.
This one here?
That was a Jamaica Day collection as well.
I like this. Those. How much is that?
That would be just 1,000.
Just 1,000?
1,200.
1,200? Yeah, I like that. So I'm going
but those up there are my Mother's Day collection.
All of these are Mother's Day collection?
Yes.
Okay.
And then these ones right here, those are my kids collection. Those are my favorite ones to make because
these here?
I like the colors. And so these are the cheaper ones. Like they can range from 200 to 500. None of these are more than 500.
How much?
That one, 1,200.
1,200. Everything I take is 1,200. You are going to show me how to make one?
Yes.
It's easy? Mm-hmm. You're on national TV. You cannot laugh at me.
Okay,
Should
sorry.
I come to you or are you coming to me?
I'll come to you.
Come this way so they can see. What you going to do with that? Oh,
So I'm going to measure your wrist so I can know what.
I kind of like mine's a little bit close. Yeah, not too.
Okay.
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 And then what?
So first, I have to stretch the string. So because when you put it on, if you don't stretch it, then it's gonna stretch out and it's gonna get big around your wrist. So if you're stretching it like that, it can stay its shape.
Okay.
So stretch it a little bit first.
Yeah, and if you break it, it's your fault here, it's not mine. I just want you to
Yes.
understand that.
And I put this on. This is the bead wire, so
That's what goes through the bead itself?
yes, this makes it easier to go on the string.
I thought you had like a little needle or something like that, no?
This is the needle. There's professional ones, but I like to make mine myself.
Okay, so what I must do now?
Okay, so just string it. Just for when you're making bracelets, you have to have very good eyesight because.
Are you suggesting that I don't have good eyesight? I wear glasses.
Just say.
Watch, I'm going to show off. I'm going to show off.
So-
What's me supposed to be making it?
Okay.
All right, so just hold it like that. I need my glasses. Only one guardian. Will you stop laughing at me? You cannot laugh at me on TV. Only one guardian, Christiyana. So when I can't get the two of them in there, even that little young man over there laughing at me, everybody laugh. I'll go put on back my glasses. So how you have the two of them go through so easy?
I've been doing this for a while. I couldn't get both of them in
Hold on.
after a while.
All
Okay.
right. Let's do it together. I did it, folks.
Yes. Okay, so you just string it like that, and then. Wait, no. You have to
Don't
go
put it
in an
this way,
order. That one's going last.
Oh, I forgot to hit this way.
Mm-hmm.
Why? All right, Taskmaster. What am I doing? How
You're
much
doing
time?
great. And then now once you're there, you hold it here, you bring these down, then you hold it here by the string, and then you just bring it down. Also, you can just go like that to bring it down.
Okay.
And also, sometimes this happens, but you just have to bring it back. And then you put this at the end
To stop it from...
to stop it from moving.
So don't I do well? I must finish it?
No, you but after you're finished stringing it, I would tie it, and then it would look like this.
Can't tell people, say it. Don't. Mama, look.
Amazing.
How much I
love
owe
it.
you?
This on the house.
No, how much I owe you? I'm paying for them. This is your business.
1,000.
And these two?
Both of those would be 3,400.
3,400. All right, give me something. I will just come up to 5,000 that I'm with. Give me something else.
Okay.
Give me the blue one.
This one.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Okay, put that off. All right, so how you find time now? Thank you. How you find time
So
that to the school and all kind of thing? Well, I know I don't want you think I will run with you. See, there you
thank
go.
you so much.
You are welcome and thank you. How you find time to do this with school and all kind of thing?
I usually make bracelets on the weekends.
Okay.
And because before I used to do gymnastics and different sports, so I'd never really had time. So weekends was mostly when I did it.
Oh, beautiful. And so you said necklaces, bracelets, that's it? Or you have
No,
other
I
things?
do like anklets or.
So you have
things
anklets
for
here
women.
too? So how you decide what colors to put with what colors and these little beads? Where the dog them name, where they hold up spots, what name?
Dalmatian.
Yeah. How you decide what to do, where to put what?
I just do anything really.
Yeah.
Like I like to do every color.
You like to do every color? Oh, beautiful.
And color combinations and stuff.
What you gonna be when you become a big lady? This is what you want to do, or
this is gonna be a side hustle.
Side hustle.
And I'm gonna build it.
You're gonna build it. Yeah. So you're gonna have a physical space, because you said now you put it to where? Where is it now?
It's at Things Jamaica and in Devon House in the airport.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So and they're doing well.
Yes.
Okay. And your hold on, no? And your picture is there too. And everybody know that's Nana. I'm so very impressed with you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, very, very well done. I like what I'm seeing. It's obviously well made. There's thought into what you do. And you're just going to be great at anything you want to do. I love you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and thanks for coming. And enjoy the weekend. Mommy's supposed to be so proud of you. Creator of Rock by Nana, Christiyana Martin.
Rehearsal done. Are you ready now? Sing. Showtime in 5, so let me start it. Is that the bass from the truck for your heartbeat? Nervous energy, and it look like stage fright to me. Front page is where legends belong, but backstage is where legends are born. Look on my security, like this is stage right now. This is only as good as your last performance. Road long, but we have endurance. Stamina make we last 2 weeks. Now we turn him as to a masterpiece. Last year was good, but we chasing greatness. That's why I call this show the greatest. I know we've been here before, but people want more. This is the encore that we get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, give them performance. Get them your own and show them the time at their life. Once we touch stage is to get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, give them performance, make them applause, show them the time at their life. That's what he says, let us see we come in. We rip it up again and again and again. Road here to see we come in. We rough it up again and again and again. Tell Carnival we come in. We mash it up again and again and again. I don't care if you call me insane. Go do it all over again like it's encore. Watch all the back on the people them stage like it's encore. Must keep calling my name like it's encore. We go do it all over again like it's encore. Hands up, time to do it again. Just rehearsal done. The real thing start. We on a high up in the sky. Just rehearsal done. The real thing start. We on a high. I wanna fly. Just rehearsal done. The real thing start. We on a high up in the sky. Just rehearsal done. The real thing start. We on a high. I wanna fly away. This is only as good as the last performance. Road long, but we have endurance. Stamina make we last 2 weeks. Now we 30 miles to a masterpiece. Last year was good, but we chasing greatness. That's why they call this show the greatest. I know we've been here before, but people want more. This is the encore that we get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, give them performance, get them your own. Show them the time of their life. Once we touch stage is to get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, get them, give them performance, make them applause, show them the time of their life. That's what he said, just to see we come in. We rip it up again and again and again. Roll here to see we come in. We rip it up again and again and again.
Where I'm come from? Where did Sicko Boy come from? Trinidad Carnival, he tore it down, and you can see he's a star in waiting. Angelo Gore. He's going to be on Plie for the Artist show this weekend. It's a whole new world. It's a performing arts youth gala featuring young performers aged 3 to 18, and it's happening at the Little Theatre. Come over, Angelo. Little Theatre, May 30 to 31. Oh man, I just wanted to rap with him. All right, Angelo Gore from Trinidad giving us a glimpse of what to expect on that show. Up next, a fun stop.
Nervous energy, and it look like stage fright to me. Front page is where legends belong. The backstage is where legends are born. Look on the security, like is he still